What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dan coming to you with another video. And if I'm talking quiet, it's because people are sleeping right now. But anyway, hold on, let me put this back on my camera. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I made over 800% on this account trading US30. Now, when I make these videos, I want y'all to understand it don't really be a whole lot of explaining to do because I don't do anything different. I just want y'all to understand when I make these videos, I drop a video before like, oh, I took a loss here, I took a loss there. Then I drop another video and I'm like, okay, we done took this account from whatever to whatever. So with that being said, I didn't want to do no chart breakdown because like I said, it's really the same thing I've been doing. It's really nothing no different. But I'm gonna get on the charts and I'm gonna show y'all what I saw. And y'all gonna see I be literally doing the same thing. I just wait for the setups. The way I be trading US30 and using NAS SPX to kind of like correlate and see where everything really is going. That's been helping me out a lot as well, which I kind of spoke on in my last video. So this account is growing pretty damn fast. Because I haven't even traded a lot on it. I probably done traded on that account maybe, I want to say twice last week and once this week, which was this morning. So, yeah, that's that. Go ahead and find this chart. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna swap over to the computer so y'all can kind of see what happened. And I'll swap back to the phone, and this time I will tell y'all about my emotions and everything, and then I'm gonna speak on trading itself in general. Like, it's hard, but you know, it's not impossible. It's not like you can't do it. So we're gonna kind of talk about that as well at the end of this video. So make sure y'all stick around, and yeah, just the biggest thing I gotta say from all of this is literally just you have to be patient. There's nothing more, nothing less. You literally just have to be patient. That's the biggest thing I have to say about trading. But yeah, let me go ahead and swap over to my computer. Okay, so now we are on the charts. As y'all can see, it's the same thing. Only thing with US30 is I didn't use my normal entry model. I just had some sell stop set because it would be the same way. It's just I didn't wait on the candle to break and close. You can already see what was going on. So anywho, I'll pop the screenshot up on the screen here so y'all can see how it was before, and then y'all can see the after. But anyway, first and foremost, let's go over to Nas. Nas had already dropped, like I said before. In the screenshot, you'll see that US30 was still kind of like moving sideways and didn't drop yet. I screenshotted, dropped in the chat. I said, y'all notice how Nas has already dropped. And then I said another screenshot and I said, but US30 hasn't. And then a couple hours go by. As you can see, US30 started to sell off. So, but like I was saying before, bro, like I said in the last video, you'll see a drop, pullback, consolidation, drop, pullback, consolidation. This whole thing to me is consolidation. Pullback, drop, consolidation, drop, pullback, consolidation, drop, pullback, consolidation, drop, pullback, drop, consolidation, drop, pullback, consolidation, drop, consolidation, pullback, drop. It does it all the time. When you just know what you're looking at, you'll see it. So we was in this area where it was consolidating. We finally broke below this level here, took a sale, price dropped, made the bread, got out of trade. Just nothing more, nothing less. And the reason I explain stuff the way that I do is because trading really can be very simple. It's just that people like to overcomplicate it. I don't know why. I really don't like to overcomplicate nothing. As y'all can see, I have lines and boxes on my screen. I don't have crazy indicators. I don't have 1,000 different anything really. No crazy moving averages, none of that. I mean, it's cool to have those if you like it, but I really just don't like a whole lot on my screen. And some people might just say this is a whole lot. But in reality, I know exactly what these mean, so I know why they're there. But honestly, like I said, the way I've been using Nas and SPX, they make their move first. From what I've been noticing, they make their move first, then US30 is gonna follow right behind. So if you miss the Nas drop or the SPX drop, wait on US30, it's gonna follow suit. So that's what I got out of that. Like I said, it's nothing no different. So I'm not gonna come up here and be like, oh, this is the secret sauce or anything. Like, no, it's the same thing I said in the last video. Drop, consolidation, drop, pull back, consolidation, drop, pull back, because I like it does it over and over. Once you train your eyes to see it, it's kind of like you can't unsee it. Like if you just go back, you'll see drop, pull back, consolidation, drop, pull back, consolidate. Like you'll see it so much, you'll be like, okay. And then you start checking, Nas or SPX, be like, okay, well, it's already made its move, whether it's buying or selling. And then you'll see, oh, US30 ain't moved yet. Bet, let me wait for a little bit to see what happened. Then it'll finally move. But anyway, that's all I got for that. And like I said, these videos don't have to be super duper long. But as far as the charts go anyway, because like I said, it's the same thing. I do the same thing every time. I don't switch up nothing. I don't have no new way of getting entries or no new way of trading. It's going to be the same thing every single time. Anyway, I'm going to start back over to the computer and we're going to talk about trading, because like I said before, I said trading was hard or trading was easy. Then again, I told you I was like, I guess mainly because I started almost 5 years ago and I had to go through a whole lot of shit. And in the beginning, it was not easy, but it got to the point where I was on here so much that it became easy. So I'm going to talk about that. And hopefully that kind of help y'all out in the long run. Anyway, I'm going to start back over really quickly. All right, so I get tired of holding this thing. So hopefully that helped y'all out a little bit. Like I said, it's not really much when it comes to breakdowns because it's the same thing I've been saying for a minute now. I don't switch up how I trade. I don't have multiple strategies. I just pure price action, bro. Like I just look at the charts, see what it's showing me, and I'll go from there. Like I don't try to add nothing new. I don't try to, the only thing I try to do is improve what I already do. And so far, it's not really too much more I can do for this. Like, it just worked for me. So, but anyway, I want y'all to understand, like, in the beginning, trading may feel very, very hard and maybe impossible sometimes. But, like, listen, and I know y'all be hearing this shit, like, oh, if I can do it, you can do it. Nah, but seriously, like, as far as the mental goes, that's the only time I say if I can get through that shit, I know for a fact you can get through that shit, especially if you have a clear mental and your head be on straight like 100% of the, or 95% of the time. Everybody go through that shit and everybody have those moments. But if you have a pretty decent mental, you're more than possible, more than capable of being successful with this. The only thing is you just have to stay consistent. That's all it is, bro. Like, just do this shit. I ain't saying do it every single day and shit like that, but do this to the point to where it's like you can look at charts with your eyes closed. You know what I'm saying? Like just read this shit without open up a chart, like, oh, I see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Like, just be very, very consistent. Just stay on it. But in the beginning, for me, I'm gonna be honest, the hardest thing was patience. It's probably the biggest thing that I lacked when it came to trading, because I wanted money like fast, bro. Like, I was seeing what everybody else was doing. I didn't take into account like, oh, this person's been trading for years and years and years. I was more just like, shit, I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to make that big money. Like, bro, it's like, I don't care how long you've been doing it, people doing this shit in under a year. Like, I'm trying to be like that. For one, I didn't have money like that to put in my account. That wasn't gonna work. For two, I was rushing everything, trying to get in the trade. As soon as I seen drawdown, I'm hopping out of trades. Like, I was just being dumb, like just rushing, you know what I'm saying? But trading is not impossible, bro. You know what I'm saying? It may seem that way, and you may have to go through maybe years before you become profitable or before you get comfortable with looking at the charts. But I'm telling you, bro, it's not impossible at all. I feel like if I had just stuck with what I was doing in the beginning and not jumping from strategy to strategy or watching all these different videos and, trying to just be in every different thing all at once, I feel like I would have been in a way better position as far as trading now. But I was constantly listening to this person, listening to that person. Like when I started winning, I in my mind I was like, well, I don't really know what I'm doing, even though it's working. And then people would come to me like, oh, you should do this instead or do that instead. And so I kept researching, kept watching videos, kept just constantly filling my head up with all this different information from all these different people. And I believe there's a such thing as knowing too much, because there's times where I open up these charts and deep down inside it's like I know that this is gonna do this, but because I watched this video and they said this, or because I've seen this video and this happened, or because I watched this and that happened, or it kind of like make me be in my head a little too much because I done seen so many different scenarios or seen so many different ways like how price can go, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it's just, you have to be confident in your trades. You have to be confident in your analysis, and just, I don't know. I don't know what else more to say. Like, you just got to be confident in your analysis, bro. But trading is just very, you just got to be patient. Like, I keep saying that because when I really understood that, that's when I started to see profitability. Like, being impatient is not going to get you profitable, bro. Like, rushing, no matter how much money you got in your account, like trying to rush making money this way is not going to help. You can have $1 million, but if you're still not waiting for that setup, that shit's not going to matter. You can blow that shit just as quick as anything else. You know what I'm saying? So don't beat yourself up when you take losses. Don't take the losses to heart. Don't celebrate every time you win, like, because you'll start having these moments where it's like, oh my God, I'm winning. You'll be so excited, be so happy. Then we take another loss, you'll start spiraling. At least that's how it was for me. Like, I'd win. Okay, cool. One little bitty loss, I'm losing my fucking mind. You know what I'm saying? So don't take the loss to the heart. Don't take the wins. Like, don't be celebrating too much. Just, okay, cool. Analysis played out. Let me figure out how I can do that 10 more times. All right, cool. Analysis played out. Let me see how I can do that, Then you take that loss, you be like, okay, what did I do wrong? Don't be like, man, fuck, I'm stupid, I'm dumb, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, this shit fake, I'm not gonna keep doing it. Like, bro, I've been there. I done laid down and just thought to myself, like, why the fuck did I even start this stupid shit? Like, I'll never be good at it. Like, that's how I was talking to myself. And now it's just like, it's like reading a book, bro. It's just like, just flow. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just gotta be on it, bro. Like, that's the biggest thing, just be on it. Be consistent, trust your analysis. Don't be in too many group chats. Don't be comparing yourself to people who've been trading 20 years already and profitable. Like, that's not gonna help you, bro. So, I said the biggest thing is just trusting yourself and being patient, staying consistent, staying disciplined. If you tell yourself, I'm not gonna do this day, I'm not gonna do that, listen to yourself. Like, that's a big thing. I call myself doing shit like that, like, oh, well, I'm not going to trade, try to hop in trades, take a loss. So, but yeah, this shit is possible, bro. Like, I'm just a regular person, just like you, the person watching this video. I don't do shit different. I'm not special. I don't know no secret information. Like, I just look at the charts and play this shit the way it showed me. Like, whatever's going on, whatever I see, however that shit moving, I follow it. Outside of that, I don't do nothing else. I don't have no special indicators. I don't have no special nothing. You know what I'm saying? I just got to the point to where I take my time with trading, and I really do allow the market to come to me and show me where it's wanting to go before I just be like, fuck it, I'm gonna buy here, fuck it, I'm gonna sell here. Like, I'm gonna do my own thing. I literally allow the market to show me what direction it's going in, and I wait for it to come back, show me that it's gonna go in that direction again, and then I get into the trade. That's all I do, bro. I don't have no special nothing to fucking make this shit easier. You just have to fucking be on the charts, bro. Like, dead ass. That's all you gotta do is be there. That's all you have to do is show up and be there. But anyway, I got to go to the store, try to find me a massage gun, and yeah, because my muscles have been sore, like bad. But anyway, it's been your boy, Dan. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. I do have a Discord channel link down in the description, so make sure y'all join that. Introduce yourself when you get into the chat. Let us know, what's your goals, how you got started, et cetera, et cetera. And yeah, bro, just make sure you're active and make sure you're able to see all the chats. And if not, just contact me and let me know. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. And I'm probably going to end up doing some vlogs later on in the week because there's a few things I got to get done. And I kind of want to show y'all what I be doing, you know what I'm saying? So later on in the week, I'm definitely going to get a regular vlog for y'all. Obviously, it's going to have a little bit of trading in it as well. But y'all will see what I have planned. I don't want to say what it is, but y'all will see what I have planned for the end of this week. And hopefully everything goes as planned and we can actually get this shit done. That'd be fucking dope. Anyway, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.